I am going to tell you my experience in drinking apple cider vinegar. I am quite an active person. I run about 15 kilometers each week and play other sports. One of my friends suggested to me that I try apple cider vinegar to improve my energy level and my well-being. The health community on the internet seemed to swear by it as well. Also, it is not expensive to make as a bottle cost no more than a Big Mac meal. So, I decided to give it a try. Have been drinking it for about 3 weeks now, once a day during breakfast and immediately after each time I run. Normally I run 5 kilometers each time. I do feel fresher and more energized in the morning and notice that I eat less as well, which is a good thing as I want to reduce my weight. The reason for the health benefit is that current research suggests that drinking it will improve blood sugar insulin level and the acid will keep stomach full for longer. After a long run, I also drink it. I noticed my energy level do seem to pick up slightly quicker after drinking it. I do not seem to feel as fatigued after a long run. Not sure if this is just a psychological effect or not. Research also suggests that drinking it can kill many types of harmful bacteria, meaning it will keep you healthier by helping to prevent the onset of cough and the common cold. So, how do you make the drink? Buy yourself a bottle of apple cider vinegar. It could be any brand. I prefer to use Heinz. It is cheap and easily available. Certainly, you do not just drink it straight out of the bottle, it would be too strong and would give you a stomachache. What I normally do is to pour 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar into a normal glass cup and the rest with ice cold water to dilute it. I prefer cold water as it makes the taste more bearable. Warm water would be great as your stomach would absorb it better, but the sour acid taste is a bit too strong for me, so I choose to use ice cold water to reduce the strong taste. Some people like to mix it with honey, sugar or cinnamon. I would avoid this as experts suggested that mixing it with other things would reduce the absorption level by your digestive system. I would keep drinking it every day, as my experience has been positive as a supportive healthy drink, alongside my regular exercise routine and healthy eating lifestyle. It is not a miracle drink, you still need to keep eating healthy food and perform regular exercises. I noticed I have been eating a bit less as the drink seemed to keep my stomach fuller for longer. So, why not give apple cider vinegar a try for a few weeks and experience the health improvement for yourself?